Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so this is going to be another workaround if you guys have a no crank no start issue, but you guys have power on all the accessories, all the lights come on your dash. If this is a new situation to you, you might really have to troubleshoot. But if you guys had the situation before, but this is particular to the fob key. All right. In many instances, if you have a no crank no start, all the lights on your dash work, and you get that little light that says key not detected, or you've gone through all the diagnosis and you have nothing else to go on except for the fact that your fob key, either your fob key has issues or the battery's dead or whatever. And in most cases you wouldn't know this because your fob key, sometimes it'll start your car, sometimes it won't start your car. If the battery's dead on your fob key, obviously you're not going to be able to get into your car, and that's probably one of the big indicators of a dead fob key battery. You try to use it to lock it, to unlock it, it doesn't work. So in many cases you're going to have to use that little key, that little key to manually open your door. So if you guys know that already, this is the video for you, because I'm going to give you guys an alternative workaround if these fixes don't work for you. Because obviously when it comes to car issues, specifically with electronic issues related to your car, a lot of times it's not only difficult diagnosing it, but a lot of times it's also diagnosing, getting it to work. All right. Normally, if you have this situation, what you want to do is obviously you want to change the battery in your key fob. I mean, that's what you normally want to do in this situation. However, and I'm sure you guys already know that. All right, so I'm going down a couple of ways, a couple of ways to start your car if your key fob is dead. But even if your key fob is dead and you try to start your car in the ways that are familiar, if you guys watch these videos on key fob issue, you have the key fob, you can still start your car. But let me just go down the list. All right, obviously you want to change your battery. Now in some certain situations, maybe late at night, you don't have access to a store to get the battery or whatever, you can still start your car. And there's a couple ways to start your car with a dead key fob battery. Matter of fact, you don't even need a battery in the key fob. Basically, what you want to do is you want to use the key fob itself, and with the corner of the key fob actually touch the power button to try to start it. In most cases, that will start it, even with a dead key fob battery, even with no battery in the key fob, because your car has this device that sends out enough of a static electricity to actually read your fob key to actually start it. Now, in cases that doesn't work, and sometimes it doesn't work, you guys could actually use the slot. Most of the time, the little slot is the key slot is on the left side of the steering wheel, and you could put your key fob inside that slot and see if that starts. All right, and there's tons of videos out on that. Now if that doesn't work, and you guys know for a fact that it is your key fob that's the problem and nothing else that's causing the problem, because in these situations, there are many things that could cause a no crank, no start issue. And I could probably spend an hour on this video going down the list of, you know, your battery or your brake switch or a fuse, etc., etc. All right, but that's not what you're here for. You guys want a quick fix. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix in this scenario, okay? So if you guys know that your key fob is the thing that's causing your no start issue, everything else in the car works, all the lights on your dash work, and your key fob isn't working, and as I said before, the reason why you know your key fob isn't working is because you can't get the doors to open with your key fob because the key fob is dead. And then you tried the number one way to actually start it, if you have a dead key fob battery, pushing it with the key fob onto the power button. Nope, that doesn't work. Putting your key fob into the slot. Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, so in this situation, you guys think that's probably the end of the scenario as far as ways to get yourself out of this situation. You might need a tow, etc., etc. No. All right, there is another way, and this is not a well-known way. I don't think it's been put out there, but there's another way, and it has worked for some people. It might work for you. Hopefully it does. But I'm going to tell you what to do in this situation. All right, what you're going to do is, okay, you're going to put your car into neutral. All right, you're going to put your car into neutral. And then you press the power button. You put your car into neutral and then you press the power button. All right, if that doesn't work, you press the power button with the remote. And if that doesn't work, you insert your remote into the slot and then push the push start button. In many cases, that actually starts the vehicle. In many cases. All right, so you guys can definitely use that. If all the other methods don't work, you guys could definitely try that. Hopefully it works out for you. You guys have your own personal experiences with this particular situation, putting it in neutral and having it started. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It probably will help other people out. As far as that method is concerned, it's not a well-known method. It's not a well-known method, but it's definitely one of the methods that you guys can do, and it's probably the only method outside of those two methods with a dead key fob. Even without a dead key fob, you guys could actually try that. All right, even if you know that there is power in your key fob and for whatever reason your vehicle won't start. I don't know what causes that. It might be something, an electrical glitch or whatever, but definitely try to get that, definitely try to do that and get yourself home or wherever you guys need to go. But if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully this has helped you guys out. If it has, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. All right, guys, take care.